Now for this test, I'm simply using an app I downloaded onto my Android device. So this isn't scientific by any means, but it's a pretty decent app. So while I'm sitting here talking, I'm about 2 feet away from the phone, and it's bouncing around, 40, 50, even jumped up to 60 decibels. And when I'm not talking, it's hovering around 48 decibels or so, just from the outside noise. We have birds chirping, we have a waterfall in the distance. So this kind of gives us our baseline. So for this first test, we're just going to start the generator and let it run for a moment without it being under a load. So with it sitting there quietly chumming along, we're averaging about 68 decibels. And just so you know, down here it tells us that about 60 decibels is a normal conversation. 70 decibels is busy traffic or even a vacuum cleaner. So now we're going to plug in the Delta Pro as if we're charging it, and we'll see what happens. So this is under full load. This is about 1,600 watts being pushed out to the Delta Pro. And we're averaging right about 75 decibels. Which is somewhere between a vacuum cleaner and an alarm clock. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, please smash that like button now. Hey, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, I'm going to go ahead and put up a couple other videos right over here I think you will continue to enjoy. If you click on those, I will see you over on the other side. Thanks for watching.